What's up, YouTube? We have a two-box break here for Brian R. Digital Staple. He actually won the giveaway for November, throwing his name into the ring, so to speak, this month as well. He's getting one box of the 2012 Panini Prime Cuts Baseball, and he purchases Immaculate. Just came in today. Last box of Immaculate, we had that sick Mariano Rivera 25/25, so had to get more. But let's just go ahead and show the case. Alrighty, case number on that is 933 as well. You didn't see it before. But let's go ahead and get this case open. Now, Brian, did you want me to roll for your box like last time? Did you want to pick your own box? Alright, cool. I'll go ahead and roll then. We're having brand new webcam mojo tonight too. Got a new webcam in. It's focusing a little easier than the other one was. This is a business one anyways. Specifically made for that reason. Right now I'm fighting with the case and the case is winning. Alrighty, there's two have come out thus far. Jesus. The case is winning. Come on. Good Lord. And then there's one more in there. I'll finally sit to get that out. Alrighty, so what we'll do is one at the top, 5 at the bottom. We'll go ahead and roll real quick. If it's a 6, it will just re-roll. So... Alrighty. I'll hand it over here. Box number 3. So directly in the middle. Not hard to get there. Alrighty. And that is box number 569. Alrighty. Do you want to start off with prime cuts or do you want to do Immaculate first? I'm assuming prime cuts, but I've been wrong in the past. Alright, starting off with prime cuts. Good luck, man. Please tell me I hit start record. Alright, I did. I'm always fearful, ever since I didn't capture a 1 of 1 pull, when I didn't hit start record. But, alrighty. Or if you do pull USA Auto, hope for Chris Bryant. Alright, good luck, man. We had a decent USA Auto last time around. Forget who it was. I think it was Lorenzen. But alrighty. Which way does it go? Which way does it go? Goes like this, I guess. Oh, it's the USA. Brett Hambright. But the good news is you have 3 cards, so got that extra hit. Maybe it's an extra auto. You never know. That one is numbered to 199. Haven't really heard of him, but who knows? With all these prospects, you never know who's going to make it big or who's not going to make it big. All right, coming up next, you have a Cliff Lee Philly timeline. That is pretty low numbered, numbered to 15 on the Cliff Lee. And then you have a Century Relic of Alex Avila, and that one is to 49. All right, let's hope for some better luck in Immaculate here. See if we can get a bat knob or something. Something crazy in Immaculate. Alrighty, good luck. Wow, this is a little heavy. But last time it was heavy too, and there was nothing huge in it. Well, there was. I thought, there was some bat knob last time. But I'll go ahead and show the seals on that. Good luck. All right, starting out on top. Is that everything? Yep, that's everything out of there. Alrighty. Starting out on top, we have Paul Konerko to 99. Following that up with a nice looking, it's single color, but still, it's Chapman to 99, Aroldis Chapman. Up next, got a Justin Verlander to 79. Doesn't want to focus in the corner, even though it should. Premium material of Albert Pujols. That's numbered to 25. Got a nice looking seam in there, but single color. This is a nice one coming up. Nice 3-color patch of Will Clark. That's numbered to 20 on that one. Oh, coming up next, it's a nice little numbered auto. Just, it's 1 of 5. It's Guerrero Parra. It's a nice looking signature. That's sort of why I was like, yeah, that's pretty cool, but Parra is supposed to be good. But 1 of 5 for Arizona. And then we're ending it, apparently, with Matt Davidson, rookie inscriptions to 99. Gold ink. Auto looks nice on that. Nice and clean, too. I haven't heard much from Davidson, but I know he's another one of those up-and-comers. I was hoping there would be a vet auto in there. Last time we had it, we pulled a Mariano Rivera. 25 of 25. But I mean, that Will Clark patch is nice. Davidson and Parra could do something, you know. Hey, you never know. Down the road, Parra and Davidson could show up. Same thing with that USA Auto guy. But so I mean, nice to have a nice 1 of 5 auto. I haven't really seen much of Parra play or Davidson, but I know Parra's been touted, and so has Davidson. So congratulations on the 1 of 5, and I mean you got 2 or 3 patch cards. It's just they weren't they were like single color. But as always, guys, bdcollectibles.medo.com and then bdcollectibles on Twitter. Thanks again, Brian.